Hey everyone, let's make a quick Thai tea boba. I like to start off by brewing my Thai tea with some very hot water. I do about 4 ounces. Let this sit until it is nice and brewed. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 8 cups of water, bring it up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, I'm going to add 1 cup of my boba beads. All links to everything that I'm using in this video will be in the description box, so do not forget to click that for all of the details. Here it's been boiling for about 7 minutes. Once I get to about 7 minutes in this roaring boil, I am going to turn the heat down to medium, and then I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to sweeten my tea. This is to your liking. Add your sugar. And now your tea should be fairly cooled down, and that is okay. This is going to be a cold drink, so we actually want it to be cooled all the way. This has cooked for a total of about 15 minutes. As you can see, I've cut the fire source and I'm just checking my boba. Here you can taste one and see if it's the texture that you like. I don't like mine really soggy, but also I don't want them to be extremely hard. So I find that about 15 minutes, about 7 in a roaring boil and another 7 or 8 simmered with the top on is the perfect consistency for me. Moving right along, I'm going to drain the water that my boba beads are in. I'm going to drain it, let these sit here for just a few seconds to just remove all of the excess hot water. And then I'm going to put it in a measuring cup, and to that I am going to add a good amount of ice cubes. I want these to cool quickly, and I don't want them to continue cooking. So here I've poured them in a measuring cup just for easy. You can put them on any type of container, and then I'm going to add ice. That way they start cooling down really quickly. Once the ice is completely melted, then I'm going to drain it one more time. Just like so. And now your beads should be nice and cool and ready to sweeten. You can sweeten them with honey or brown sugar. I like to sweeten mine with brown sugar because I like that little extra syrupy taste that the brown sugar adds. Here you can see you sweeten these to taste. I use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can add less or you can add more, just depending on how sweet you want your boba beads. I like them to be about a medium to more on the sweeter side. Mix this in thoroughly. And once you get it nice and mixed in, you will be able to see that it kind of all of the brown sugar just turns into a really nice syrup. So that way, when you add this to any of your drinks, it's adding just a tiny bit of sweetness. I still like to sweeten my teas on their own. And it never ends up too sweet. It always ends up perfect. But like I said, the sweetness is totally up to you and up to your liking and your taste. Now that I've incorporated all of the brown sugar, you can see a little bit of the syrup, and these are so delicious. Honestly, I could eat them by the spoonful just like this. And that is how easy it is to make your actual tapioca boba beads. Super easy. I will recommend the brand that I prefer and that I like, and it does not take long to make a delicious bubble tea at home. Let's go ahead and assemble our Thai tea now. I've transferred it to a large cup. My Thai tea is completely cooled down. I'm going to add the desired amount of boba beads. I did about 3 tablespoons. You can do more, you can do less. This seems to be the perfect amount for me. I like a lot of boba beads in there. Then I'm going to add my ice. Now at this point, remember my tea is already sweetened and my boba beads are already sweetened. So no need to add any more sweetener or any more sugar. You can add whatever type of milk you like. Whole milk, 2%, oat milk, almond milk. I went with whole milk this time. And you are all done. These glass boba straws are everything. I will go ahead and share those with you as well. You will love them, but you definitely want a boba type of straw. If not, you will not be able to suck these little guys while you're drinking your drink. So here it is, guys. This is what I would always order when I went to any type of boba tea place. It is a Thai tea boba, and it's amazing, and we just made it at home. So I hope that you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a comment below. What flavor is your favorite? Let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks, guys.